What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Crime Scene Cleaner on your PC. So, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Now, for the first step we will need to open Google, and once you have done that, then I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Now let's proceed to the first step and go to the Steam website to locate this game, because then we can proceed to a new website. So search for the Steam game and we will search for the game Crime Scene Cleaner. Now scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game starts at 15 euros and 19 cents. But this is a temporary offer. After that the price will be 18 euros and 99 cents. So what you have to do is click on the link in the description, and where it says find game here, click on that and you will be redirected to this website. Now we will search for the same game over here and select games on the left side. After that, price lowest first. And as you can see, on this website we can buy this game for just 10 euros and 95 cents instead of 15 euros and 19 cents. And basically after those 4 days, then the price will be 18.99 again. So yeah, it will definitely increase again and you will save even more money on this game. So once you have decided to buy this game, select it, and you can buy this game at this website. After that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a new Steam account to download this game completely legit on your PC. So once you have done that, you are able to play Crime Scene Cleaner on your PC, but much cheaper than through the Steam store. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!